Hey guys, I've been doing some work on the bolens G10. Put some new battery connectors on it. After looking at it, I don't see how you can clean the carburetor really, so I took it off and I'm looking at it more. But it will try to start, then it will sputter, then it will die. So I took it off. I did find one I ordered on eBay for $39, so that's on the way. The battery charged up, and I gotta glue this part because that part came off. And I did paint the muffler and that, but this ain't heat paint, so it's probably gonna wear off. But it looks better now than what it did. And I painted that. That was yellow. I don't know if that's factory or what, but that was yellow. So I painted that black. Painted that. And let's get on the tractor, guys. So you got your throttle. Got your throttle right here. This is how you raise the deck. See, now it's on the ground. Pull that back. This is the choke. This is just a switch I put here to cover the hole up. This is where lights are gonna go. Gotta get some lights. And down here we got this, which is a brake lock, and I'm pretty sure this is how you turn the attachments on, like the mower deck that's on it. And this machine can run a tiller, and I'll show you that just a little bit. But we got first, then forwards, reverse, then we got third, fourth, then we got there, then we got clutch brake, disengage down, lift up. I don't think I pressed the button, but it wasn't running, so it shouldn't matter. But while we're on it, I do, see? She does turn over pretty good with her battery being charged now. Right back here is where you put the tiller. You gotta take this cover off, I'm pretty sure. And then these are the points. I did find a tiller, but it's way overpriced. I don't think the guy's gonna come down any. I paid $250 for this tractor today. Got it on Facebook Marketplace. It was restored at some point. It does need some touch of paint, but it's a 1970, or that's the era it was made, but they said this particular tractor, code color and everything, was made from 1970 to 1974, so it's one of those years. I gotta do some more research, but it's very nice tractor. The seat was redone on it too. It was completely repainted, it looks like. And it's gear driven everywhere, so that's nice. You really don't see that on tractors anymore. It's a serial number, it's model number. Port Washington, that ain't that far from here. But yeah. Guy was asking $500. I think he was asking $750 at one point, then $500. And I've been watching this for last month or so. It hasn't moved, so I just went ahead and offered him a cash offer, delivered, and he only lived about 5 minutes away from me, so he delivered it today. And yeah, I'm very, very, very happy with what I bought right here. Hopefully when the new carburetor comes, it fires right up and runs good, because I got to put this thing to work. I bought it to work, so I'm going to be pulling my little spray trailer around with this and pull little quads out and everything. Hopefully I find a tiller that's reasonably priced, and I get a tiller for it. But just like this guy right here, I mean, He was asking 500, but he ended up with 250. So maybe the guy with the tiller that's asking a fortune, which he's about, I'd say, 30 minutes away from my address, so he could probably deliver it too. He might take less, so I'm gonna ask him and see what he'll take, cash wise, because that's how you do it. But yeah, so please hit that subscribe button, like and comment, and leave a like if you want more videos on the Bolens FMC G10 real lawn tractor. When I say lawn tractor on this, I'm talking this is when they've actually made lawn tractors. Now it's just a lawnmower with big tires. Okay? Thanks, guys. Catch you on the next one.